Dropshipping can be a real way of making lots of money online, but managing different dropshipping platforms accounts can be a real risk and you can run into many unpleasant situations. If you've ever had your account banned or funds frozen, you know how frustrating that can be. That's why in today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how you can dropship safely in 2024 without worrying about platform bans using GoLogin, the ultimate tool for managing multiple accounts online securely. So let's dive into the problem first. As many of you know, by managing multiple accounts on Amazon, Etsy, or even social media accounts, all of these things can be super profitable. But the fact that you're managing multiple of them is what brings you most profit. This allows you to choose different pricing strategies, test various products, and target multiple customer segments. However, the big issue is that these platforms do not enjoy having multiple accounts by the same user. They have sophisticated systems that can detect when multiple accounts are being created by the same user or from the same location. This could lead to bans, suspension of your accounts, or frozen funds, making it a real risk for anyone that is trying to upscale their dropshipping business. VPNs and proxies alone are no longer reliable for staying under the radar. These platforms can detect if you're using the same device across different accounts, and that's where things get risky. But don't worry, there is a solution. GoLogin. This tool has become a secret tool and a lot of dropshippers' secret tool for dropshipping safely. With GoLogin, you can create multiple browser environments that make each of your accounts look like they're being accessed from different devices, locations, and even different browsers. Here's how GoLogin works. It creates unique browser profiles for each account that you manage. Each profile operates as is a completely separate device with its own IP address, cookies, and digital fingerprint. This means that platforms like Amazon, Shopify, eBay, and Etsy can tell that all of your accounts are being accessed from the same person or device. Let me show you how easy it is to get started with GoLogin. First, you will need to download it. It is simple and straightforward. Then set up different profiles for each platform that you're using. You can have profiles for Amazon, eBay, and even Etsy. Each profile operates independently, so it's like having a different device for each account. Use GoLogin Proxy Manager to assign a different IP address for each profile. This ensures that each account looks like it's coming from a unique location. You can use your own proxies or GoLogin's built-in ones for added security. After setting up your profiles, simply click Run and start managing your dropshipping accounts with complete confidence that you will not get banned. So whether you're managing a dropshipping business from Amazon, Etsy, Shopify, or even managing crypto accounts, GoLogin has you covered. And now the best part is that I have an exclusive promo for you. You can use my code listed in the description below for 40% off, whether you're opting for a monthly or a yearly plan. It is an unbeatable deal that makes protecting your accounts even more affordable. Now, if you're wondering, GoLogin can be used across a variety of platforms that require multiple accounts or anonymous browsing. Some common platforms where GoLogin is useful include e-commerce platforms such as Amazon, eBay, Etsy, social media platforms such as Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, LinkedIn, advertising platforms, Google Ads, Facebook Ads, Bing Ads, dropshipping and reselling platforms such as AliExpress, Shopify, Walmart, Etsy, class fields and marketplace sites such as Craigslist, Gumtree, affiliate marketing platforms such as ClickBank, ShareSale, gaming platforms, and so much more. GoLogin's flexibility makes it a powerful tool for any platform where anonymity or managing multiple accounts is essential. So if you want to start a dropshipping business by testing multiple strategies and creating multiple accounts, you can now do it securely with GoLogin. It ensures that each of your accounts stay anonymous and secure, allowing you to scale your business without the risk of losing everything. Thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to use the promo code in the description below for 40% off. If you've enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave it a like and subscribe down below for more such videos every single week. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video.